Hello friends, welcome to the session 10 of my video series Math for Machine Learning. I have been talking about matrix theory or matrix algebra. In the last two videos I have talked about eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a matrix, eigendecomposition of a matrix, and in the last session I have talked about the page rank algorithm, the application of eigenvalues and eigenvectors in machine learning or artificial intelligence or application of eigenvectors and eigenvalue in the search algorithms. Today I shall talk about singular value decomposition, which is different from eigen decomposition. So we start with the general real matrix A m by n and write this as and diagonalize A with orthogonal matrices U, sigma, V transpose. Where U orthogonal is m by m by m, sigma is m by n, and V is n by n. By orthogonal matrix we mean U transpose equal to U transpose U equal to I, and V transpose V equal to I. This is Im of order m, this is of order n. So each row and each column, if we take inner product of two columns, it is 0 if we take inner product with ith column and jth column, and if we take inner product with ith column with itself ith column, then the inner product is 1. So U and V are called orthogonal matrix. Now if our matrix A is of rank R, it need not be full rank, it is of rank R, then we can write A as sigma 1 U1 V1 transpose plus sigma 2 U2 V2 transpose plus dot 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 plus sigma R UR VR transpose, and other diagonal elements of sigma are 0. So, and we arrange sigma is according to their values, sigma 1 greater than equal to sigma 2 greater than equal to sigma 3 greater than equal to sigma R. So when ordered based on sigmas, as ui's are the unit vectors showing directions only, ui's are called principal components that provide the linear combinations for the directions of maximum significance. So sigma 1 is the max of sigma i's, so ui's are called the principal components. I mean, if we do ui transpose x, that is the direction of the where the maximum variance of x happens. Sigma 1 is the variance of x1, variance of ui transpose x1. So ui's are called the principal components. Ui's are called the principal components. Okay, so this is known as singular value decomposition. Let us do some quiz to finish this session. Are the matrix sum and matrix product abelian? Abelian means A operated on B is same as B operated on A. So for two matrix A and B, we have A plus B equal to B plus A. So addition is abelian, but A multiplied by B is not equal to B multiplied by A. The orders will change. If A and B are rectangular, then the orders of BA and AB and BA are different. So product is not abelian. What is the difference between eigen decomposition and singular value decomposition of a matrix? For eigenvalue decomposition, we needed only it happened only for square matrix A n by n, and we needed a matrix P which is invertible. But for singular value decomposition, for here B can be of any size n by n. We need orthogonal. We need orthogonal U and V to have the singular value decomposition. And if we ordered the diagonals of sigma as per their values, then sigma 1 corresponds to the direction of principal component. What can you say about a matrix when it has a zero eigenvalue? So if A is full rank, then A will have all the eigenvalues non-zeros. Lambda I will be not equal to 0 for all I bigger than equal to 1. But if some of the lambda I, say lambda k equal to 0, this implies rank of A. This implies A is not full rank. Rank of A less than n. So 0 eigenvalue only will occur if the matrix is not full rank. So this is my sessions on matrix theory or matrix algebra. Next session I shall be talking about vector. I shall be starting talking about vector calculus. Thank you.